Hi guys, it's SP1 Gamer here. Hopefully you guys like this box opening. This is my first time, guys. I haven't bought any of these or anything like that, and I'm not sponsored. Just to let you know. So still, please like and subscribe underneath. But just to let you guys know. Yeah, I just saw it in the ads. I just wanted to try it. I want to see how it was. I don't have any figurines. I do love a lot of anime. I do love a lot of um manga and all that stuff. I really like the figurines, especially um My Hero Academia. So if any of the Hero Academia fans out there, let me know. But like I said, guys, this is my first time getting one of these boxes and one of these figurines. I don't have any figurines of any animes or anything like that. I watched so many, but let me just try it. It's like I said, I wasn't sponsored or anything, so I wanted to see it and then see if I like it. Then I'm gonna keep buying for it. If I don't, well, I'll let you guys know, or if you guys can see with me. And if anything shows up that you guys cannot see, just letting you know, I will put it on my Patreon so you guys can see it. And then hopefully you guys can help support me there. And if you guys like this box openings, let me know so I can continue doing this. But yeah, guys. So if anything, you guys want to know if whether it's good or not good, well, you'll open up with me. And this is my first. This is my. I haven't opened it yet. I got it a couple days ago, but I just finally decided to do this video and open it. All right, guys. Let's get it open. All right. Oh, nice, nice, nice. The first thing I get is a shirt. Open it up. Okay. Oh, it's really nice. It's really nice. It's kind of with my green screen because it's a little bit green, but it looks really nice. I like the shirt. Not too revealing. Not too, not too bad. Really good. Really good shirt. Next is another. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's just I don't know what you guys call this, but it's like a little. Oh, look, cute academia user club. Oh, nice. I don't know what it's called. I know you hang up in the wall. They look really nice, really nice. Sorry, guys, I'm not really too much informed on this. I just see people, but I don't know what each other's called. So let's keep going. Oh, we got a little white box. A white box. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at how cute this is. And sorry about my camera, guys. I know it's going in and out of the green screen. I do apologize for that. I don't know why. But this is so cute. Look at this. Look at how cute this is. That's adorable. The Koski little clouds. Nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, and there's a little pin. A little pin. A little pin. That looks so cute. Actually, you guys can. You guys can't see this unless you're on Patreon. But it is naked. So if you guys got it on Patreon, you guys could see it. We also got this sticker. Izmir. She is naked. There you guys go. She's naked. See her boobs and everything. But if you're on my Patreon, you can see it. All right. And oh, look, a mini version of like a little banner type of thing. Oh, she's naked on this one. You guys can't see it, but she is naked on this one. On the shirt, she's not naked, but in this one, she's naked. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, this one's, let's see here. Oh, look, a little sticker for the car. I wanted one of these. These are so cute. I wanted one of these. These are so cute. A little sticker for the car. And the welcome sheet, if you want like the welcome sheet for exclusive codes and contact and for Ichi Manga. These are the ones that I've been hoping for, and this is the Rias one. This is the one I want. Hopefully this one, this came in with it. Let's see here. Have to pay extra. Actually, I got this one for free. You put in a code or anything, I got it on my email, and I got it for free. So this one's for free. This figurine is for free. And it's a little, and it's, oh, that's curious. She's so cute. Look, so cute. I like it. It's like it's really miniature. So cute. She's so cute. I'm gonna put that in my little glass container. I have a little glass I'm trying to fix. And the best one I saved for last, guys. So look, albedo. Have to censor some of the things, but yep, there she is. She's pure white dress, or I think that's his dress. All right, let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Oh, and has a little stand. Oh, I cannot. Oh, look. She's so pretty. Albedo. She's so pretty. Look. Hopefully you guys can see here. It's a little bit glary. But she's so pretty and so white. You guys can see. So pretty and so white. I like. Okay, and this is my first collection. Got my Rias and my Albedo right next to me now. Like, so cute. Very nice, both of them. Okay, and so so I really like all of them. Really like all that I purchased. Yeah, there's some nudies on some of them. I'm gonna have to censor it out. If anybody want to see the whole version, please go to Patreon and support me there. But yeah, guys, it's actually I don't know. This is my first box. I think it's worth it, from my opinion. I never had any of these items, especially the banners, the little figurines. So I think it's worth it. On my opinion, it was only, I believe, I'll check the price correct. I put a correct price here, but I think it was only like $25 for all this, which it's just the figurine alone. I think there are this between. I could be wrong, but I think it's worth it just for the figurine alone. Just for one figurine alone, it's worth it. And I got two, because I got the free promo code. So I think it's worth it compared to everything else I've seen. But I will try to join in other ones to see compare. Maybe I get more figurines. I noticed in the comments that the details are really bad on the figurines, but it's my first one. They're really cute. They're really nice. I like the details of it. I don't know. From my opinion, I think it's okay. From your opinion, you let me know. And then you guys can comment down below whether you think it's worth it or not, or if you tried it, you don't like it. Just letting you know, it did take a while. When I first subscribed to the box, I got it a month later because I did it after the certain time. You had to apply, I think, from the first to the seventh, or first to the sixth, and you have to pay for it to get your box at the end of the month. Um, or if you apply after, which I think I did, I applied on the 16th, and then I got it a month later. So let's say I got it, I applied on May, I didn't get it all uh, of June. No, well, yeah, June. I got it in July. So I know it's a long wait because I got it late of their cutoff. But I think it's worth it. I liked it, and I already applied for my second box. It's already coming in. I'll show you guys about that too. And then it is Some of them do have nudity. I'm not gonna lie. I have to censor it, but I do like it. I can display all of them, but I will display most of them. All right, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day, and hope to see you guys soon.